These pigs are very skittish. As soon as you come down here, they usually bolt. Hello. Gonna go and get their dish, but they're gonna bolt off. I'm coming. I'm coming in. You gonna run? Here I come. Hey, piggies. They're chickens. They're scaredy cats. I don't know about you, but we seem to jump from one job to another, or one project to another, and never get anything finished. So we're back to fencing today in a roundabout fashion. We actually need to do some excavating first before we continue on with fencing. There's a few sections of the fencing that needs to be done, but before we do that, we're going to get the excavator to flatten out a bit of an area at the bottom of the hill, so when we bring the fence down, it'll be easier to come up and down that track, and also a lot better for fencing. Our weapon of choice today. The fencing is, oh, goes a gun. The fence is going to come down here. So where we've been working is up the top there, and we're going to put a gate in up in here, the top of the track, and the fence will come down here. The problem we have is there's a big dip. So we're going to use the excavator to flatten this out a bit, and we'll put a post in here where that's dirt hasn't been disturbed, and only star pickets along there once it's compacted a bit, which will then lead down to there where the cattle yards will be. We'll put the cattle yards back pretty close to where they were before, but there's a bit of a slope, so we want to try and flatten that as much as we can. In the meantime, we've got little piles of metal. First time using an excavator, so a bit of a learning curve happening at the moment. That's alright, got to start somewhere. Takes a lot to move all the dirt around, more than you realise. Bit of weeding as well. It's been a few hours. Didn't come down after lunch, but looks like he's doing a pretty good job. We been out this morning, met up with a lady who's got some free roosters. We've just taken one. We haven't fed them yet. Hi duckies.
Food.
You see?
You'll figure it out. He's tiny. Here he comes.
Hi Henry. This is Henry the First.
Oh, no, we're in the first. Oh, yeah, mine. That's it. Hello. I'm going for the grass instead. It's got big feet.
Yeah. Rooster.
Not a rooster. Well, isn't a rooster still a chicken?
I suppose so. Don't you go picking on him.
Bossy, those black ones.
That's one of the young black ones too.
Yeah.
Not
Anyway.
the older black one.
Oh, he's straight into the grass. Not even interested in the seed.
Don't you be mean. Hey! Henry is only 3 months old, so our plans for him in the spring is we hopefully will get some fertile eggs from him. We do have an incubator, so we're going to try our hand at raising some chicks. It's pretty windy out here today, but yeah, I think it took Dean 2 days to do the excavation, a few hours each day. We've left it maybe 2 weeks now just to let it compact. We've smoothed it out. Put a little bit of gravel down. The next job, which we were trying to do on the weekend, was dig some holes down there. Further down there, we replaced the posts that were there, but Ruby was getting low on diesel, so we stopped and went to fill her up, and then she decided her battery was flat, so the battery is now up on the charge and Ruby's just sitting there. It never ends, it never ends. All good plans don't necessarily happen the way you want them to, so Anyway, that's where we're up to with the fencing, but it's definitely a lot smoother to come down that hill and to go up, really quite smooth compared to what it used to be, so that's a win. Having a bath, girls. Anyone going in, or is it too cold? They've been in, but now they look like they're cold.
Ah, ah.